Hi, welcome to my channel, Sticking with Steve. Today we're going to be in my social media planner. Alright, so we are going to be in my social media planner today. I just need to do all of this. Oops. I like to remove all the stuff because I like to put my own things in here. And then I like to remove this as well. Okay, so now we are starting with a blank slate except for May because that is the month. I'm gonna use this green washi I hope you're having a great day. I'm actually filming this sooner than I normally would because this coming weekend I've got something scheduled and I just want to make sure that, or on Saturday, I'm sure I'll have plenty of time if I decided not to do it right now, but I decided to, what the heck. Let's get it going and get it done, you know? I want to make sure I've got all the time I need. I don't want to feel rushed. That is one thing I really hate, is to feel rushed about things. So, I am getting it done now. I was watching a YouTube video. My therapist was telling me I need to do nervous system regulation, and I found someone online who was talking about just that topic, so I will listen to it today. It was a podcast. I listened to it while I was doing some things. I'm sorry, was that down too far? My back is doing much better, which is really nice because I hate being down. I hate not being able to do what I need to do, you know? Alright, so we're gonna just outline that. You know, I think I might do it down here too, because why not? The only thing I don't like about this is if I need the space to write. However, I should be okay. I think I'm just gonna do it like that. Even though there's some gaps, I'm not too worried about that. I think it'll be okay. Okay, I was gonna use this red one to go with it, but I decided I'm gonna use red boxes because this is the main decorating sticker sheet I'm using. This comes from the bibliography ephemera, I think is what it's called. It's from Peter Popper Press, but I really like that sticker book, and this comes from it. And I wanted to use it. It's kind of like a cookbook, cooking kind of themed one. But I decided what I was going to do. Since there's so much red and green in it, I was going to do red at the top and green on the bottom, but I decided one thing I'm going to do, because I don't use the red boxes as much as I do the green and some of the other colors. I decided what I'm going to do is I'll just use the green washi, and then I will use the red boxes, and that'll just work out fine. Okay, I'm going to put these right up here. I think I'm just gonna do that. And I do want to put, I like this. This is looking cute. I do want to put some deco. I use that whole sheet, but I do want to add some deco in here. So I got the food book from the Happy Planner, and I am going to use, there's some tomatoes, and there are some green beans. So I want to use a combination of these in the boxes. Oop. And I could use some other vegetables too. It doesn't just have to be this necessarily, but that's the majority of what I see. I guess there's a watermelon there. Maybe I'll grab a watermelon, because I'm pretty positive this has some watermelon in it. Yeah. So I'll put this right here. There's some lettuce. I don't think this book has lettuce, but let's just see. There's some artichokes. This says eat your vegetables. So I think I'm gonna put that right down here, just for fun, because I've got it, so why not? Okay, let's see if there's any. I don't think this has any lettuce. I'm trying to enter in all the different things that it has, but I don't think it has any. I think that's where all the vegetables were. So I'm gonna go back to that. And I'm just gonna grab a thing of, even though it's not on there, of asparagus. I think that'll look fine. All right, so that is gonna be my look. So now I'm just going to add some boxes. I need to put the headers. I'm gonna put this one, oops. I'm actually gonna put the, well, it just took that up. I guess I can always do that. I wanna put this in the center. So probably something like that. If I can get it straight, would be better. And then I want to use this box for up here. Okay, so that is all in that book. Let me grab my other copy. These are just some, oh, wrong one. Well, I guess that's down. I don't think that's coming back up, so I'm just gonna leave that alone and do like that. Okay, let me grab my pen. So this is to do. This is a backlog. And this is my collabs. I need to do, this is Instagram. Social media planner. And this is Instagram catch-all. How I usually do this, if you're new to my channel, how I usually do it is Monday is a miscellaneous video, Wednesday is my social media, Friday is my catch-all, and Sunday, if I have the video available, I do a Jesus in the Old Testament. So that's kind of how I do it. It just depends on what I have available. So this section I do to-dos, although I don't ever need this whole list. This section I do my backlog videos, so it's a list of all the videos I have available, and then, or to pull from for like the miscellaneous or whatever, and then the collabs is just the list of people I'm going to be collabing with that are coming up. But I can't really fit in all of that stuff necessarily until I see what this week, because I'm doing this ahead because this coming weekend I'm going to be busy, so that's usually when I would be filming this, but since I'm filming it ahead, I have to look at my schedule and see what I have available and what I would be releasing that day. I think this one is a good one to go off of, so I need a 3. Okay, so 3. And then the green, I'll do 30. So what I did was I like to use the Crayola Super Tips to color in the boxes. It just adds more color. I learned this from Mary Ellen from Plans in the Making. I'm sorry, Plans in the Making. That is Julie. I learned to color these in from Mary Ellen, who has Planning with Bumble. She does this, or I've seen her do it, so that's where I got this idea from. And I use my Crayola Super Tips, and because they don't have any markings on which one is which, I used a Sharpie and I wrote numbers on each color and I swatched it so that I know which is which. Okay, that is where I'm at for that. I think this is it because I don't know what this week holds. I do believe that this is the Loop Group video, which I think let me just write. Well, I'll wait because I don't know. I do know that coming up I have a collab with Brandy Janae. I have one with Trish, Susan, and Karen. I have one coming up with I think it's Cynthia from Sinfully Planned. And then I have one with Karen and Cindy. And then, yeah, so before I add anything else, I can write here that I need to film my plan with me for social media planner. And then film my plan with me catch-all. And then, well, I can do film, decorating my giveaway planner. At the end of the, I'm decorating a planner. I'll be decorating a whole full planner. So then at the end of the year, I'll be doing a giveaway. So someone will get a fully decorated planner. So anyway, well, I think this is it. Until I know what videos I have to go here, I think I'm just going to call it. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye.